Herbs and spices in Swahili. Do you want to know the names of herbs and spices in Swahili? If yes, make sure you watch to the end of this video so you don't miss out anything. Hello everyone, my name is Maida and today you will learn all the herbs and spices that makes your food very tasty. Alright, listen carefully and repeat after me. Giligilani, giligilani. Habasoda, habasoda. Haradili, haradili. Hiliki, hiliki. Karafuu, karafuu. Kisibiti, kisibiti. Kungumanga, kungumanga. Manjano, manjano. Tangawizi, tangawizi. Thomu, thomu. Watu, watu. Uzile, uzile. Vanilla, vanilla. Zaatari, zaatari. Zafarani, zafarani. Herbs. Some of these are used for culinary purposes and others are for medicinal use. Kivumbasi, kivumbasi. Kotmiri, kotmiri. Mchaichai, mchaichai. Mrehani, mrehani. Mvuje, mvuje. Muarobaini, muarobaini. Mtule, mtule. Nana, nana. Perimende, perimende. Rosemary, rosemary. Shubiri, shubiri. Zamda, zamda. If you enjoy this video, subscribe and share it with family and friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.